May 13th is a very, very special day for all of us. And it has been always a special day for me, especially when I was little. We used to have celebrations on this day, any of our birthdays. But ever since I know Hindi, the meaning of Main Tera means I'm yours. So this has more significance for me, it brings in lot of sweet memories, even from his childhood days, how he has been there for others, that I am yours. When he says, he has actually lived this principle. Whatever he is born on that day, it is such a significant day. As his younger sister, I have lot of beautiful memories of our childhood days. One of the days I remember how every time we used to get something to eat, sweets or chocolate or biscuits, he would always ask me, to offer it to God and then only eat. So every time we have to close our eyes and offer it to God and then eat. And one such occasion I told my father, why should I offer it all the time, and anyway God doesn't eat, so I don't want to. Then Guruji came up when he was also very small. He is saying that, God doesn't eat, of course, but he fills in more sweet into the prasad. That is why even to this day, I just love prasad, because I feel that it has more added sweet. And I also remember one occasion when he became a Swami. That time how beautifully he introduced the family into that concept. He was in Switzerland at that time, and he had gone as any other young boy of 17, 18-year-old, wearing other dresses. And then when he was there studying in Switzerland, and one time he wrote to me that, here there are so many beautiful things available. If you go to shop, it is very tough to select shirts. So I turned to the color white. Now my dress is all white. White has all the colors anyway in it. Like that he introduced me slowly, and then he said one time, he told me, I remember, that in India, barber, the shop is so less expensive, cheap. Whereas here in Switzerland, to cut one hair cutting, in the salon, if you go, you have to spend lot of money. So I decided to grow my hair. So like this, slowly he introduced us that he has a long hair. Now he's changing his attire into white. And the way he introduced all these principles, and then we did not feel anything strange. Of course, when I saw him first with long hair and white dhoti and long, I understood that there is a change in his, some change, but as I know him from my little days, he has always been a saint. He's always been that divinity that he still exhibits now. So many things, so many such memories, sweet memories are there. And then one time he even, when we were small, we used to play, and then he will tell me, then I used to collect stamps and all that. So my friends would say, give a new stamp and I'll give you another stamp for the exchange. Then I would not have any, because my friend used to have cousins and all from other countries. I never had anybody from other country like that. So Guruji would tell me, don't worry, I will get you many stamps when I go abroad. So I will ask him, how will you go? He'll say, many people are there for me, waiting there. I will definitely bring you stamps. And if I remember the first time he went, and when he came back, he brought me a whole box of stamps. And every time he'd send me letters, he will put extra stamps in it and send, how much he remembered that. And when he took me to other countries, the first person I met, they told me, that we are waiting for him for so long. And this was in 5 countries I visited that year, first year when I went with him. In all the countries, they told me, the same thing. There 1 or 2 person will come to me directly. They'll say, we have been waiting for him so long. The same thing, that he had told me when I was small. And there's so many such beautiful stories, happenings I would say in my life, and I'm very fortunate, like all of us, to be walking in the same path as his, because our path is so full of love and then wisdom and service to humanity, which is also very close to my heart. This is what I have learned from him. He lives, he walks the talk, and every moment of his life is only for service. And even if we follow him 5%, 10%, our life is made. Happy birthday to every one of us.